In our last tutorial number 4, we did the neighbor sign rule. Now, after you've understood that, you may come across a number like this, which has a mixture of the neighbor sign, the mixed sign, etc. How do you tackle it? Well, we are going to solve the problem using 4 steps. The first step is to use the neighbor sign rule, and the neighbor sign rule says, let's rewrite the number. First step, we have -5. The neighbor sign rule says if we have double same sign, it becomes positive. So these 2 pluses become 1 plus. So -5 plus 3 plus 6 minus 3 plus 9. So that's the first step. The second step is to group the positives together and the negatives together. So let's do that. Let's start with the positives. Here we have +3, +6, and +9. On this side, we group the negatives. We have -5 and -3. So the third step is to use the same sign rule. The same sign rule says we should keep the sign. Here we have positive, positive, and positive. So we open a bracket, we keep the sign. The sign is positive. So we add everything in the bracket. 3 plus 6 plus 9. And here too, we have same sign, which is negative. So we open a bracket and put the sign in front of the bracket and add everything. 5 plus 3. So here 3 plus 9 is 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18. So here we have plus 18. And here we have -5 plus 3, 8. So if we rewrite the number, now we have plus 18 minus 8. And the fourth and final step says we should use the mixed sign rule. The mixed sign rule tells us that we should look at the biggest number and use the sign of the biggest number in front of the bracket. And in the bracket, we should subtract the small number from the big number, which will give us 18 minus 8, which gives us plus 10. So that's our answer. Let us do some class fun. Class fun we do together. Fun. Let me change my pen, the color. So number 1, we have -3 minus -5 plus -4 minus 7. So do you remember the first step? The first step is to use the neighbor sign rule. So we'll rewrite that using the neighbor sign rule. -3 minus will give us plus. Wherever the neighbor sign rule says, wherever you see 2 signs, 2 of the same sign, it turns to positive. So that's positive. So -3 plus 5, plus 5, and here we have plus minus. Wherever you see 2 different signs, it becomes negative. So to be -4 4 here, then minus 7. The next step, that is the third step, is to group positives together and negatives together. Let's start with the positives. We have plus 5 here. Yeah, plus 5. Well, we have only one positive. Now we group the negatives here. We have minus 3, minus 4, minus 7. So here we have plus 5. Yes, we use the same sign rule. The same sign rule says that we should keep the sign and add everything. So 3 plus 4 plus 7. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So we have minus 14. And here we have plus 5. So what next? The final step is to use the mixed sign rule. The mixed sign rule says that we should look at the biggest number. And the biggest number here is 14. So what is the sign in front of the biggest number? The sign is what? Is negative. So we put the negative in front of a bracket, and we subtract the small number from the big number. So 14 minus 5 will give us what? Will give us 9. So first, before writing 9, we'll bring this our negative sign here, then we'll write our 9. So our answer is 9. Now let's do retrieval practice. This you practice yourself. You pause the video and practice. We have number 1 minus 3 plus minus 8 plus 2. Number 2, let me change the color to green. Number 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 5. Number 3, we only have 3. Minus 8 minus minus 4 plus 2 plus minus 3. So try to do that yourself, and I will see you in another lesson. Thank you for watching.